Text: 3M Protection Wrap Film. How to wrap a hood.
In this video, we will illustrate a hood installation using 3M Protection Wrap Film Matte Black. This premium film offers an impressive cold stretch coupled with a fast, dry installation. Polishing the hood surface is an optional step that can help restore the vehicle paint and provides a smoother surface for a better wrap installation. To reduce wrinkles and adhesive lines, spray 3M Quick Wax Spray Detailer on a lint-free microfiber cloth and wipe down high points and flat areas on a clean hood. Use a fresh microfiber cloth and 70% strength isopropyl alcohol to clean the hood's outer edges, removing any wax. Apply 3M Knifeless Tape Precision Line.
A man applies the thin green tape.
To help remove the release liner, prepare it by partially peeling it to the middle on both sides, leaving a 2-inch section attached. This prevents it from falling off during transport to the hood.
Reapply.
Remove the release liner. Having a second person, although optional, can make liner removal much easier. Lock the film down at one corner, then evenly remove the liner towards the opposite side. 3M Control Tack technology reduces the adhesive's initial contact area, offering you unparalleled control during installation with easier sliding, tacking, snap-up, and repositioning. Tack the film on the hood's top driver's side, then cold stretch from the passenger side, securing the top corner. Ensuring the film is flat across the hood's top prepares you for successfully wrapping the bottom without the need for heat. Snap up the film and cold stretch from the middle, pulling the tension towards the front. Maintain this stretch until the film wraps around the front of the hood. Then tack the film to the grill. From your right, pull down and away to evenly distribute the tension to the edge. Then work back towards the front, pulling until the film appears smooth. Creating tension away from the area with fingers makes that section easier to handle, as the fingers start to diminish and become more manageable. Then you can come back, snap up, and stretch the film until it looks smooth.
Pulling black film.
For the other side of the hood, the process is mirrored. Manage any fingers by creating tension, snap up, and smoothly stretch the film. Finally, lock down the corner, pull to refine, and tack to the fender. The highly flexible film enables you to press down on the tensioned area while simultaneously laying it smoothly along the edge of the hood. Gently run your finger along the vehicle's body line, ensuring the film is securely attached at every high point.
Pressing.
Wetting your squeegee reduces friction during installation. Remember to be aware of open areas and squeegee away from tack points to avoid trapping air. Move carefully in a linear direction while applying steady pressure. For slightly recessed areas, use your palm to press the film towards the open area, then squeegee the remaining sections. Palm the edge of the hood and repeat the process on the other side. Press on the 3M Knifeless Tape, pull the line to the edge, and slice by pulling the filament. Remove excess film and carrier. Using a sharp knife blade, score the film ½ inch from the front edge of the hood. The extra film will be tucked later on after trimming. Remove the excess film and repeat the process for the back edge of the hood.
A man uses a knife to cut excess film before pulling it away.
After trimming and rolling the film around the edges, open the hood and take advantage of the 3M Protection Wrap Film dry install. Unlike wet applied products, there's no need to wait for the solutions to dry. Simply fold around and heat set the edge. Make sure to watch our other 3M Protection Wrap Film training videos for additional installation instructions.
Text: recommended heat gun temperature 200 to 220 degrees Fahrenheit, 93.3 to 104.4 degrees Celsius. 3m.com/autofilmstraining